Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I am Nathan Hager. We're joined this morning by Bloomberg's Valerie Teitel. Got to talk about Tesla as we wait to see what comes next in the Trump-Musk saga. Good morning, Val.
Hey, good morning, Nathan. Happy Payroll Friday to you. Yes, let's start with a check on Tesla. A lot of attention on this stock after it slid 14% yesterday. Its biggest market cap loss on record. That's ticker TSLA. We're up 4.25% so far in pre-market trade. Those shares are trading higher. There was a Politico report that the White House aides have scheduled a call with Musk that seems to be helping sentiment this morning. That's Tesla rebounding from yesterday's slide, up some 4%.
Okay, now the biggest decliner in the pre-market this morning, Lululemon. Big disappointment when it comes to the earnings.
Big disappointment. Another disappointing quarter for the athleisure wear retailer Lululemon, ticker LULU, down 21% pre-market. They cut their full year profit outlook. Lululemon is blaming rising competition and tariffs, and it said it plans to raise some prices to offset the impact of these new levies. Lululemon does have production hubs, major ones in China and Vietnam, both countries that face elevated tariff rates. Sales growth for the retailer is expected to slow for a fifth consecutive year in 2025 as competition heats up. And an analyst from Jefferies notes that the management continues to prioritize new products and China expansion over addressing the pullback from core customers and evident traffic declines in its home market. So another disappointing quarter for Lululemon. Those shares trade down nearly 21%.
And of course, the other big earnings story post-market yesterday was Broadcom. Some disappointment there as well.
Disappointment for Broadcom. Their revenue forecast underwhelmed. That's the ticker AVGO. Those shares are down just a little over 2.5% pre-market. This is the main chip supplier for Apple and Alphabet. They reported earnings despite the company's numbers generally topping estimates. It seems like investor expectations for its revenue growth were very aggressive, and it did not, meet that expectation, and shares traded lower. The stock really, though, has outperformed since the last earnings season. Maybe a reason why expectations were so high. The stock has risen 30% in the last 3 months since the previous earnings, but it's trading down so far this morning. It's Broadcom in the red, down 2.5%.
And turning to the biggest stock in the green this morning, I got to hover over CRCL to find out the name here. Circle Internet Group. Well,
it's a new stock. It IPO'd yesterday. Maybe I haven't heard of it, but this is the stablecoin issuer Circle, ticker CRCL. It's climbing 13% pre-market after rocketing higher Thursday following its stock market debut that saw shares surge 168% on its first day of trading. Circle issues the world's second largest stablecoin, Nathan. It's called USD Coin or USDC, which has a market cap of around $60 billion, less than half of the market cap of the largest stablecoin out there, which is Tether, of around $150 billion. There seems to still be a lot of positivity about this new stock, so Circle is trading up higher again, up 12% in pre-market trade.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.